In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate SEO keyword research with n8n. By the end, you'll have a hands-off system that takes seed keywords from a Google Sheet, sends them to a keyword data provider, parses the results, and writes them neatly back into your sheet. First, you'll need API credentials from a provider like Data4CO. In n8n, open credentials and create a new basic authentication credential. Paste the username and password or key and secret provided by your API account. Save and test a simple request to confirm the credentials work. Keep these credentials secure in n8n. You won't hard code them in any nodes. Next, set up your master Google Sheet. Create one tab called Seed Keywords where you'll paste or import ideas. A single keyword column is fine, and you can add optional columns like country or language if your provider supports targeting. Add a second tab called Results. Set clear headers such as keyword, volume, difficulty, related queries, and timestamp. Having consistent headers makes mapping in n8n straightforward. Now build the workflow in n8n. Create a new workflow and think of it as a left-to-right pipeline. Trigger from Google Sheets, fetch data via HTTP, transform the response, then append results back to Sheets. Configure the Google Sheets trigger to watch the Seed Keywords tab for new rows. Select the spreadsheet, choose the correct sheet, and set a sensible polling interval. Enable options to avoid reprocessing the same row if available, or include a simple marker column later to indicate processed items. Add an HTTP request node and set it to post. Choose JSON for the body format and map the incoming seed keyword from the trigger into the request payload according to your provider's API spec. Attach the basic auth credentials you created earlier so the request is authorized. Keep the node's response format as JSON to make parsing easier. Use set or function nodes to extract the fields you care about. Pull out search volume, keyword difficulty, and a list of related queries. If related queries arrive as an array, join them into a single comma-separated string for easy reading in Sheets. Include basic guards for missing fields so the workflow doesn't break when data is sparse. Add a Google Sheets node configured to append to the Results tab. Map keyword, volume, difficulty related queries, and add a timestamp from n8n's expression panel so you can track when data was collected. Finally, automate and refine. Schedule the workflow to run automatically or rely on the trigger's polling. As you monitor results, fine-tune filters, adjust regions or languages, and set gentle rate limits in the HTTP node to stay within API quotas. Save and activate the workflow, and your keyword research engine runs on its own.